Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Wargaming Guy, and welcome back to Strategic Command. Where did that come from? I haven't played an SC game in ages. Welcome back to War in the East, Gary Grigsby's War in the East, and we are about a month out from the end of the game. The last turn is October 18th. It is September 21st, so yeah, we have a ways to go, my friends. We have a ways to go. That's all I can tell you. By the way, there's a Soviet minor victory now. So clearly we've got some stuff we need to do. And one of those things is to push on through here and grab some of these flags, which I'm not even seeing. This is the air view. Maybe it's where we're not seeing them. I don't know. And apparently that's not been taken by... That's interesting. Well, we'll take care of that in just a minute. But first... Oh, that was not what I wanted. Shows you what happens when you, let's control C, right? Yes, that's what we want. Manage the depots. And then we'll go ahead and, let's just go ahead and do air superiority again. Yeah. And we'll see how all this goes, and we'll get to the ground stage of the game, which is really the only part of the game I really like to play. I wish there was a way to direct the air power like more specifically onto certain units. There used to be. I can't find it now. Not that that means a lot, but there you go. So the Soviets have 195 sorties. 272. Good grief. We've had 9. They've only lost 10 units and they're all operational. Wow. 350, 400. Holy Nacogdoches here, boy. I tell you what, they've been building up their Air Force. 500 sorties. Wow. And I don't see that anything really happened, so call me confused. But what else is new? Okay, so, yeah, apparently somehow this all got bypassed. I guess. Here, we want you to go here. And then, can you go any further? Yeah. Let's bring you down here. I'm going to get up here and get this thing, too. This is weird. Well, actually, you can get there. Okay, so that's taken. So, let's start at the top. And just see what we got happening here. First of all, I always like to kind of zoom out just to see if any new units have popped in back here. Doesn't look like it. Sadly, I could use as many as I could get. These are still just HQs, right? Yep, they're still just HQs. So, so here you can see the flags real easily, actually. Yeah, that flag, we need these flags. We need them badly. Whether we'll get them, who knows. But we'll give it the old college try. All right, so, boy, you guys are so slow. Oh, well, not now. That's pretty fast. And it's raining. I'm kind of amazed that they're that fast in the rain. They've been pretty slow otherwise. Are you part of You are part of Panzer Group Guderian. Great. Well, we're going to send you up here anyway. And clear out some of that. Meanwhile, we need to think here. Kharkov. Boy, I just don't see us getting there at this rate. I think I made a mistake in doing the 2 things. I mean, maybe I didn't. I don't know. Trouble is I'm running out of time. Time is becoming a major factor in this game. Holy cow, I've got a big hole here with very little to plug it. Except you guys. Man, I have beaten the snot out of you. You know what? Let's leave him behind. Let's swing these guys here. Thought I should have. I did. I don't want you selected. I do want you selected. Thank you. Siri, good, he retreated. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I'll take it. Let's... Really? He can't go anywhere? What about you? Barely. Alright, so I need what I need to do then. Well, we should be able... What are the odds here? Defender of 3, so if I put 2 units into this attack, hopefully that'll do it. I can't, okay, it's going to have to, yeah, it's a deliberate attack. We'll do it. You won't do it. Fine, we'll go on the run then. It's not going to do it. No, he retreated. Okay. Jeez, these guys, look how beat down they are. So let's take these 2. They won't attack. No. He won't. Let's undo him. Let's take these guys. Throwing a brigade in. Hopefully we can... Good. We pushed him back. Nobody can move. Ah! Yeah, I made a mistake. I should have had everybody together so I could exploit this. All right. Well. Wait. He can exploit it. Good, go. I know it's dangerous, but at this point, we don't have time to dink around. I'm tired of this messing around 1 hex at a time stuff. So we're going to make ourselves a little breakthrough here. Even though it's very little. I'd feel better if we do this. At least this way. Maybe we can force them. Yes. Excellent. And we routed them too. That's surprising. These guys have all used up, right? Yes. Dang it. Curses. All right. We're going to pull you down here. Can't move you, but you guys can attack, but I don't think that's probably a good idea. Yeah, no, not really. And I don't suppose we can do anything with that either. No. So we're done. Well, he could move there. I'd rather have somebody move here, but that isn't happening either. Okay, so we switched on the fly. Was that a good idea? I don't know. Something had to happen. That's for darn sure. So, that's what we did. Gotta make something happen. Because now, we're, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hexes from Kharkov. The tip of our spear is. Meanwhile, we've got these guys down here. And they're facing like a whole lot of stuff here going on. This looks like the weak point. But we don't really have much we can... Jeez, I hate leaving these big, gigantic, gaping holes in my line. Yeah, let's pull you over there to hold that. Please work. Oh. What is going on here? Why aren't you up here? Good. It's only a hex, but still. I want that town. I want you to move up. I want you to hold there. You're not even part of this, but we're making you part of it now. I want somebody there to... Can these guys attack? I mean, what would... I'm sure it's stupidly... Yeah, that's actually a little better than 1-to-1, but not much, but I'm not. No, I don't think so. Don't think so. Let's clear this rail. Let's keep it going. That's it? He can't move anymore? Why can't he go here? I do not understand. Oh, wait. We haven't captured that. Oh, crap. What if I put my HQ won't go there either? Oh, no. It had not even occurred to me. Dang it. All right. And he can't go any further than that now. Great. That was brilliant planning there on my part. Yes, brilliant. Oh, yes, so brilliant. But at least we're getting the supply up here. That's it. Okay. Shoot. Well, we may run into some trouble next turn. Can either of you guys? No. No. All right, we're kind of stuck there. Wow, that's not not good news at all. Oh boy. Really, I can't go there? I want to select him. He can do it, but all right, fine. Apparently getting over this river is taking everything we've got. Crap, that's not what I wanted, so hold on. Oh. It's 0, but at least it gets him where I want him. Here, come over here. Follow him. Hold on. Oh, we haven't got a lot of super powerful units here, unfortunately. Come on, good. Retreated, routed. That's awesome. Gee, this guy's beat up. But I haven't got time for refitting, boys. Sorry. These guys can't attack? Oh, well, he obviously can't. He can. Yeah, let's see if we can get any help. Come on. You can't. What about, can you guys, any of you guys attack? You should be able to. Well, not much left. That's not going to work. Heck with it. Nope. Yes. He retreated. So that's good, I guess. Good. Stole some stuff, pushed some people back, so I'll take that. All right. All right, not too bad. rid of this guy. Routed him. That's excellent. Now, see if we can. Good. We pushed him back. Really? Okay, I know you can't. None of you guys can move. Whew. Okay. Yikes. You can't. Yeah, you can get there. Sure, why not? Not that that's going to be much help to anybody, but... Where are my green guys? I was trying to keep them together, and now I can't see where I put the other green guy. It must be down here somewhere. Hold on. There. That's where they are. I don't know how you got up there, but come on down. Really? Something's not right here. Let's drop him out. Bring you up there. Here. Come on up. I'll just keep all my greenies together. Dang it. Telling you, these rivers are really, then the rain are really messing us up. Good. Take it. If they'll give it, we'll take it. I was hoping to do kind of a breakthrough here, and I don't really think I've succeeded, but I might freak the AI out enough for it to pull back. It seems to be in the mood to do that a lot, which I like. That's what we want. Oh my. Yeah, let's get somebody up here with a few points anyway. That armor looks pretty scary. Yikes. Jeez. Oh man. Get up there. Wow, these units are just so weak. Let's bring the Italians up. Surely we ought to be able to knock this guy out. And yes, I'm calling him Shirley. Oh, but no, they held. Ooh. That there's what you call a bad sign, people. That's what that is. Come on. Surely we can get this guy. No, what? Get out. Are you kidding me? Somebody surrendered. Come on, come on. Yes! They all surrendered. Excellent. Way to go. But you notice that took German troops. And they won't go in there. Will you go in there? You will go in there. Very nice. Okay, let's just bring you over here. Get down here. Oh, look at that. Guards. They got some guards units coming up. Yeah, that's not scary or anything. Oh, heck no. Who's this routed guy? When did we have a unit routed? I must not have been paying attention. I don't recall that, but okay. Get some Germans up there. This guy. Supposed to be refitting. Doesn't seem to be doing much. These guys, yeah, they're in pretty good shape. We'll move them up. Let them keep refitting. And I think most of these HQs are probably in pretty good shape. Fine, we'll get him up across the river anyway. You'd be good to get over the river too. So many HQs to move, so little time. In the rain. Oh boy. The good old Rasputa is not far from us, I am afraid. Yeah, why? Where can he get there? Yeah, I don't know why he was sitting back there, but he's not now. Okay, I think that's about it. Not a spectacular ground turn, but it'll be interesting to see how the enemy reacts, especially up here around Kharkov. So, having said all that, let's find out how they'll react. And hit the old play button. Here comes the freight. Always have freight delivered. Apparently, they're not having the problems with the supply system that we're currently having here in the United States. Because they can always just air freight it right in. No arguments, no fighting, no unions. Just get it in there. All right. And all in the rain, by the way, which is pretty good. All right. So here we go. Logistics phase, the exciting time in the game. I should probably just cut this out, but that adds a lot of work for me. And right now I don't have the time. And, you know, some of you may actually look at this and understand things about it that I certainly don't. So I'm just going to assume that, and we'll just let it rip. Or you could just fast forward. It is YouTube. One of the great things about YouTube, it's easy to fast forward. Come on, let's go. Move those resources. Oh, here we go. Pool the city. It's always the long one. And the shadow apparently visited there for a second. But we're back. Get those high priority units supplied. Help them to pull back. You know, if the Russians actually refused to pull back and stood and fought right now, I think they could fight us to a standstill pretty much if the units were handled correctly. That's what it looks like, just from what I can see. Who knows, for real, but happily, I don't think they programmed the AI to do that, so Okay, Pinko Air is in full effect. And here we go. How many sorties are they going to fly? Only 92 so far. Leaped up to 167. .235. Two guys shot down by flak. That's all. I'm amazed at how ineffective the Luftwaffe is here. And I think you actually would count the flak as Luftwaffe because they controlled it. I mean, it's just like amazing. Two planes. Two. How is that even possible? 554 sorties. Uh-oh. I'm afraid the AI may have been listening to me. Oh, wait. Now we can pull back, hopefully. Come on. You know you want to pull back. You know you do. Not much. Boy, this bend of the Dnieper River is just killing me. They've got like amazingly strong troops in there. And the Luftwaffe is, again, not attacking the air-transported freight. Oh, great. They're supplying the guards guys right on the front line at I guess that's Kherson. One of the key points you must take to drive on the Crimea. And there's that little flag down there on Perekop. So that's one of the places I'd like to take. Whether I can get there, yeah, who knows. Build generic ground elements. Oh, that's an interesting line item for the logistics. Not sure what that means, but kind of interesting. Okay, here we go with my high priority units. Hopefully those are Panzers. Motorized. And big beefy infantry boys. That's what we need supplies for. All right, we're saving. Yay! So I'm going to look at this before we take off. And here we go. All right, let's just do this. First Liberty ship. Look at that. First Liberty ship, the SS Patrick Henry. Oh, that's a good name. Was launched. All right. How cool. All right, you've seen that. Let's zoom out. Well, that was a little further than we wanted, maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking they're not really pulling back very much, are they? Well, wait. Well, that was already there. Did they advance here? They may have advanced there. No, they just didn't pull back. They kind of pulled back a little here. They held here. See, if I still had my other pincer, then I could like try to chop that off. But the problem with that is, besides the fact that I don't have it, is it's really a distraction from this. I need to get here and not worry about that too much, although somebody's got to go there in a hurry. Yeah, somebody's got to get there. Maybe you, I don't know. But anyway, so let's take a look at the rest of the line just real quick. Okay, they did pull back a little here. See, they're doing the smart thing. They're slowly pulling back and stretching, not letting me break their line, which I sort of did up here for a hot second, but now... So it's just, it's a matter of if I can gain like Because it's the 28th. Oh, crap. So what have I got? 3 turns left? Yeah, I don't think I'm getting there. But I'm going to try. If I can gain 3 or 4 hexes, I could. Down here, good luck. I'd have to punch through this. A guards rifle division and 2 others. And then who knows what's... Oh, it's fortified, of course. So, yeah, it's got the front HQ there. That's interesting. So, things are not looking real good, but on the other hand, they're not looking horrible either. So, I'll be back next time, and we'll do some more of this. And until then, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching. Take care, everybody, and I will see you later.